Okay, Bude. So I'll start from simultaneous equation. Okay. Okay. Oh, you can't see me. Why Bude Binuti? Can you log out? Sorry. Tuhasna, not Tuhasna. Tuhasna, please log out and join again, Bude. So while you are joining again, I'll send the photo of the question, okay, to the group, WhatsApp group. Then you can try that one while you are joining. Okay. I'm going to explain. Here, look at the board. Actually, there is a trap. Can you see that trap? That trap? Normally, you are looking at this thing, but can you see that 3y is here? Also, this y is here. Now what to do? 3y plus this y is also. But can you see this? Wait, I want to use the red color pen. Sharindi. Yes, Sharindi. Okay, here, Sharindi, you can do what today? Minus 2a plus 3a. So Sharindi, this is our first equation today. This is second equation. Okay, Sharindi, Chaturmini, and also Nitish. Look at the board. Also to answer. Okay, Tuhasna. It's okay. Tuhasna. So Tuhasna, maybe you can't understand today. Before practicing this one, okay? So you must have some theoretical knowledge regarding the simultaneous equation. It's okay, just try to roughly explain, okay? So minus 2a plus 3a. So we are using that elimination method. So what we have to do is we have to find out the least common multiple of this a and 3a. What to do? Least common multiple 2 and 3. Just divide by 2. 1, 3. Divide by 3. 1, 1. 3 into 2. 6. Now you can say, so easily you can multiply these 2 and 3 and get 6. Yeah, sure you can do that. Okay. 2 into 3, 6. So what to do? First equation multiplied by 3. Why? Look. 3y into 3 means 9y minus 2a into 3, 6a equals 11 into 3, 33. This is third equation. Okay. Third equation. Now we don't need first equation. Why? Now we have third equation. Then Nitish found new computer. Now Nitish don't need first computer, previous one. Why? Now Nitish has new computer. Okay. So second equation multiplied by which one? We multiplied the first equation by 3. Why? We want to make this 2a as 6a. Now it's 6a minus 6. So second equation multiplied by 2. Why? This 3a multiplied by 2, 6a plus y multiplied by 2, 2y. 0 multiplied by 2 is 2. Okay, this is 4. Some students are writing like this. Can we write like this? 3a into 2, 6a. Y into 2, 2y. Is that 0 into 2 plus 2? No, 0 into 2 means 0. Okay? 0 into 5 means 0. If we multiply any number by 0, what happened? The answer, final answer, it must be 0. Okay? Now, second one also no need. Nitish. We just derived that fourth one. So, now plus 6a is here, minus 6a is here. Tuhasna, can you see that today? Now you can understand why did I multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. Now we have previously we had minus 2a plus 3a. We can't connect those. But now here we have minus 6a plus 6a. වලියකට ගියක් මොකද වෙන්නේ? කවුරු හරි ගහන්න වෙනවනේ. මේ පැත්තෙන් 3යි මේ පැත්තෙන් 2යි ඉඳලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ නේ. මොකද වෙන්නේ? දෙකක් ඉන්න පැත්ත අනිවාර්යෙන් ගුටි ගන්නවා. It's a simple theory. So what to do? That's not fair. We can't add those up track. Why? Here minus 2a, this is plus 3a. So what to do? We have to make them equal. Now what to do? Like third equation plus fourth equation. 9y minus 6a plus this equation. Okay. So normally I'm using the brackets when I'm doing addition or subtraction. Okay. As a habit, I'm doing that one. Because of that, normally, normally I'm not getting wrong answers. Because I'm using brackets. Minus 6 plus into plus. When we remove this bracket, we have to multiply these values by this side. Plus into plus plus. There is no issue. Plus into plus. 33 minus 0, 33. Minus 6a plus 6a, 0. Okay, I'll write that part here today and I'll erase this one. Okay, I'll erase that one. You know. Now, 9y minus 2y 11 equals 33. Should divide by 3, y equals 3. Sorry, should divide by 11. Y equals both sides divide by 11. Y equals. Now, y equals 3. Substituting first equation or second equation. Actually, I'll use second equation because I don't like minus signs. That's why it's disturbing to find values. So 3a, we don't know a. 3a plus y means 3 equals 0. We have to send this y to the other side. There is addition. What happens when it comes to the other side? It becomes minus. So what to do now? We have to divide both sides by 3. Then we will get minus 1. A equals minus 1. To us, maybe it's a bit complex. Okay. So you have to follow the recordings. Also, you challenge the with. Now, copy down this one. Most of others are having another exams. That's why they are not joining today, but it's okay. You have to practice. We will give the recording to them. Shalini, okay, Budhi. Chatumini, excellent. Shalini, okay. So I'll give the next one. Some areas maybe asking for the next one. Hey, give me 1 minute. Next one. May I raise the board? Almost 6:20. Okay. This is semicircle. Semicircle. Okay, this is semicircle. Find the perimeter. of this whole figure? That is the question. I give you maximum 5 minutes because this is. So today I have connection. Okay, Pute. Same for me also. In your term test, you will get these kind of similar questions. Okay. First, what to do to find out this whole figure? Actually, you should find the first. You have to find out that diameter of this semicircle. Okay, this is right angle triangle. So there are two sides. You have two values. You have to find out that. So we are using Pythagoras theorem. What to do? I'll name this as simple D because this is diameter of the semicircle. In your paper, you can mark D. Okay. So this is the hypotenuse. Now, so we have to start from this one always. Can you remember? If this is A, this is B, this is C, always A square equals B square plus C square. Okay. Always. So this A means this 25. 25 square equals 24 square plus D square. Now, 25 square means 25 multiplied by 25. Same value 625. 24 square, 24 into 25. So 24 into 24. 576 plus D square. Some students say in the home visit classes, so you are a genius. How you can say that without doing multiplications? 25 to 25, 625, 24 into 24, 507. Because I'm teaching same thing for more than 6 years. So I know the value. Okay. So what to do? We have to subject this D square. You know how to subject this thing. 625 minus 576 equals D square. That is 49 equals D square. So 49 means 7 square equals D square. So 7 equals D. Centimeter. 7 centimeter equals D. Okay. May I show you some interesting thing for this one? Normally, you learn this theory, how to solve this one in this. Okay, I teach you this one. You don't know, there is another some simplification steps we can use rather than this. May I show you today now? So, same thing, 25 square, okay, equals 24 square plus D square. Okay, some of you can't remember these values, so you can't waste your time. So what to do? If you know these values, this is easy. Okay, if you can't remember, just first subject this D square without multiplying. 25 square minus 24 square equals D square. This is like this. Yesterday we practiced. Can you remember A square minus B square? Okay, we write like A minus B, A plus B. Can you remember? Same thing happened. 25 minus 24. 25 plus 24 equals D square. Now what happened? Here there is multiplication action. Okay. 25 minus 24 means 1. Multiplied 25 plus 24 means 49. Easily you can find this. So 49 into 1 means 49 equals D square. 49 means today 7 square equals D square. So 7 centimeter equals D. Now you will ask, sir, why you didn't teach this method? Because when you are teaching theories, okay, if I'm teaching the teacher everything, okay, then you will never understand. Now you know this one. Now you can add this one into your knowledge, your memory. Okay. Now, ultimately, so finally, 7 centimeter is the diameter. Okay. Now, can you try to find out the perimeter of this whole figure? I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay. While you are trying, I'm going to drink some water. Okay. I'll come back after 2 minutes. Now, Pute, I'm going to erase these four. Okay. Now I'm going to continue with the D. So D means diameter. Sharindi, D means diameter today from here to here. But Sharindi, if we consider about this semicircle today, this is Sharindi diameter. This is center. Okay, this is center. O means center. This is diameter. So Sharindi, this is radius today. Not only for Sharindi, for others also. So always D equals to R, or you can write R equals D divided by 2. Same thing. So in your term test paper, it teaches R, write down the relationship between R and D. You can't say, no, I don't know the relationship between those things. Oh, you can't skip the question. You are right. Because you will get marks for that kind of question. So, what is the relationship? D means always 2 times R. R means always D divided by 2. Now we know the value of D, but we want R. So R equals D divided by 2. That means R equals 7 divided by 2. Maybe you can write 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. But in this type of questions, I'm not going to write down, I'm not going to simplify this. Sharindi, yeah, perfect, excellent. So now, here, now you have to find out the arc length. Arc length. I'm not going to write arc length of semicircle. Why? There is only one semicircle. If there is any other semicircle or any other circle, so I have write arc length. Arc length of we have mentioned the figure, but here only one. Pi r. You know this one, okay? Pi means 22/7. This is a formula. R means 7 divided by 2. Now you can easily understand why did I say don't multiply, don't divide this. Actually, if you want, you can divide. R equals 3.5 centimeter. But if I write that one here, so it's maybe it's difficult to simplify. But now you can cut because you have the knowledge about the factors. So sorry, fractions. 7, 7, 5. We can cut 2 times 1, 2 times 11. So arc length equals 11 centimeter. Now we are going to find the perimeter. I'll use P to denote the perimeter. P equals to this arc length 11 centimeter plus 24 centimeter plus 25 centimeter plus this D 7 centimeter. This is not my answer. This is some students write like this because 11 here, 24 here, 25 here, D 7. Is this one correct? No, that's not correct. Why? You can't write 7 because perimeter means this outline. Okay? You can't consider about these inside parts. Only the outline. You can start from here. Okay, 11, then 25, 24. That's all. 3 values. If you add these all together, you will get 60 centimeters. Perimeter means that is a length now. So you have to use the meters, centimeters, kilometers like that. You can't use square centimeters, okay? So this is not an area. Okay. Is that clear, Nitish? Tuhasna, is it okay, Bude? Aparadine. Godak level misela dena Tuhasna. So you have to follow the recordings. It's okay. Ekama visaduma. Recording tam. Nitish, yes, ne. Talut computer again. Padang kala pennanno. Okay. So now yeah. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. I need only 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So give me your answer. Please write down the question carefully, okay? Don't write the wrong one. Now, yes, Samir, yes, Pude. Anything to ask? Session is always open to questions, okay? You can turn on your mic. You're not muted. Okay. Now, here, look at the board. Chattu Mini, no? Anya, Shavinti, also, okay. Now, no, Shavinti got there. Here, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Normally, I'm not giving easy questions. Why? Know how to find the answers. But I'm giving the difficult. Here, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1. So we can't do that. So we have to take the values from this left side. Now what to do? I'm taking this one to this right side. I'm taking only this one. Okay. So now this is 0. This is 0. But this one, when it comes to here, it becomes 2. Now what happened? I am taking 1 from these 2. Not only I'm not getting these 2. I'm taking only 1 from these 2. Okay, I'm taking only 1. But it becomes 2. Bonus again I'm taking 1. But it also becomes 2. Again I'm taking 1. Right, and the cup in a 2. Now, no need to do the same thing again. 2 minus 1, 1. Now, is the value is 2? No, why? I'm taking 1 from this 2. Now, the original value is, here I'll use the black color 1. Why? I got 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 minus 1 0. Here same thing. I took 1 from these 2. Now the original value is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Okay? Same thing happened here. So you have to wait because this is my tea time. Okay. Then wait, sorry, wait. This 1 minus 1 0. Here this is 0. 1 0 0. Normally if you write this one as the answer, it's correct. But this one is super. No need to find these zeros. This is correct. I'll give double mark. So that's all. Then I'll give you the next one. Okay. Let's write down this one today. Okay. Then sir, if you don't put another 0, is it wrong? That means Uday, you know, sir, if you don't put another 0, is it wrong? If me or you, that means you asked about this answer. This answer is also correct. This is also, these both answers correct. It's okay. Normally we are writing this one. This also correct. It's okay. But you must write 2 here, Okay. If you didn't write 2, if you are writing 2, so that answer is wrong. That answer represents normal decimal 100 value. like 100 rupees, like that value. But here this represent not 100. Okay, 2 to the power 0 means 0, 1, 1 into 0, 0. 2 to the power 1, 2. That is also 0. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2. 2 to the power 1 means 0, 1, 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2. Actually, this value represent decimal value 4 only. Okay, but if you write this one without these 2, these represent decimal 100 value. That's why you must write 2 here. Okay. Otherwise, this also is correct. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Okay, good. So you can ask anything. Then I'm going to give. Okay, I'm going to see who will give the first answer. Okay, girl or boy? Normally we say ladies first, but in my class, boys first. Okay. She's doing okay. Okay. Give me your answers. I'm waiting for your answers. Boy or girl. Okay. Now let me teach you. Okay. Here, always I told you. Okay. 2 to the power 0 means just 1. Not 2 to the power 1. Just 1. X to the power 0. Now don't try or don't try to give me answers. I'm not going to accept your answer. Just look well. Madhurek Kavat, don't look. Hari, Madhurek, y equal y to the power 0 equals 1. So think about 21,362 to the power 0 is 1. Also, I want to show you another trick like this. 5 divided by 5. Just cut this one. 25 divided by 25. 1. 39 divided by 39. 1. That means you can just cut. No need to write at least 1 for this one. Now, coming colors not good. Same thing. 2, no powers. That means power 2 to power 1. X3, third power, x3 multiplied by minus 2. Same thing up and down. As a denominator and numerator, what happened? The same thing, just we can cut. Now what to do? Here the next one. 2 to the power 0, 1. Y to the power 0, 1. 21,362 to the power 0 is 1. So, this is 1. Just 1. Y multiplied by 0 power. Same thing for this one. That means 1. So, we can remove this one. We can write 1 here. 1 into 1. Divide by x to the power minus 1. 1 into 1 means just 1. Okay, 1. We are taking this x to the power minus 5. Okay. To make that one as a positive in this. So we are, this is like a new denominator. So we are taking that one as numerator. Okay. So it becomes multiplication. X to the power, not minus 5. Now it becomes plus 5. You know what is the reason behind that. Okay. You learn this lesson. So 1 to the power 1 into x to the power 5 means just x to the power 1. Okay. How the 1 connected? Okay. That one is really easy, no? Just remove this two. Remove this two. That's why in Sinhala we call Yaka kiyana tarang kalu ne. Okay. Just write down this. Also, now you can do one thing. What? Just write down the question. So tomorrow is Sunday. When you are going to school, give this question to your best friend. If she or he got the correct answer, it's really good. If not, you can teach that one to that pair, this one to that friend. Now what happened? You also got the wrong answers. Make high answers got I own. But I got the wrong answers got I. ඔයාලා ගිහලා යාළුවට කියලා දෙනකොට again ආගේ memory එක refresh වෙන්නේ හරියටම exactly within 12 hours වගේ නේද? අද රෑ 4 ඉගෙන ගත්ත එක ඊට උදේ 4 වට. එතකොට memory එක ඇතුලේ ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් අදිගෙන හැම්පත් වෙනවා. Okay. So how do you cut that? Just like why? Dylan, that's why I show you that these similar examples. 39 divided by 39, 1. Same, if we divide same value by same value, then we get 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 25 divided by 25, 1. So Dylan, okay, okay, I'll explain why. That's good question. Okay, just give me 1 minute to explain that one. That means Dylan, what I do here is like this. Touching my nose. But now I'm going to show you. Okay. Same thing, but there are two ways. Here, this I'm going to explain this. Okay? 2x to the power 3 minus divided by 2x to the power 3 minus. Now, Dylan, what happened? 2 here, the power of this 2 is 1 Dylan. Okay? So 2 to the power 1 multiplied by minus 2. So 2 to the power 1 multiplied by minus 2 is 2 to the power minus 2. Multiplied. X 3 to the power x to the power 3 multiplied by 2 means x to the power minus 6. 3 into 6 plus into minus minus. For this one, same thing. 2 to the power 1 multiplied by minus 2 to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2. Now what to do? Now we can take these two. These are acting like denominators. We can take into the above this line. That means what happens? These are two. Okay. I'll write these two using black color. Then you can easily understand. Now, Dylan, these two are here, keeping same. Now, these two, 2 to the power plus 2 into x to the power plus 6. This minus 2 becomes plus 2 plus 6 becomes minus 6 becomes plus. Now what happened is 2 to the power minus 2. Then here same base 2 2. Okay, minus 2. Now what happened? When we are multiplying the indices, if they are the same bases, so these powers will add now. Minus 2 plus 2. Okay, Dylan? Multiplied by same thing, x to the power minus 6 plus 6. Because same bases, exactly. Now, Dylan, 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2, 0. Okay, x to the power minus 6 plus 6 means 0. So, x to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1, Dylan. X to the power 0 means also 1. 1 into 1, 1. So, that's why just we can cut these two without doing these. Now, is it clear, Dylan? Yeah. Now I know what you are thinking. Apo the yene are lazy like that now. So can you give some questions from linear equations also? Yeah, sure, Situli. Thank you for remembering that. So, can you send me through WhatsApp today? Then I can buy that and say thank you very much for it. Okay. So that previous method is very easy now. Yeah. So Yonal is there or not? Is there any? Okay. So Yonal. So Next day I'll teach you this part. Okay, over there. So, hmm. So I'm going to give you linear equation. Yes. 3, 2x minus 6 plus 3 equals 21. Solve. Okay. I'm waiting for your answers. You have 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay. Here, get the board today. Okay. Yeah. Now, first, simplify these parts. Really, this denote that. Okay, this that means 3 multiplied. These all values multiplied by this 3. That means we can divide both sides by 3. Now what we will get? 21 divided by 3, 7. That is the easy way. Also, we can remove this curly brackets. 2x minus 3 plus. Easy now? Now, you can remove this 3 to the other part. You can take this 3 from this side to the other side. 2x minus 6 equals 7 minus 2. X minus 6 equals 7 minus 3. Now what to do? We should divide both sides by x minus 6 equals 4 divided by 2 is. Now what to do? We have to subtract this 6. That means we have to take this minus 6 to the other side. This minus 6. When it comes into the other side, it becomes. Got it for there? Nitish? Got it? Okay, write down this one. Then I'm going to erase the board. Then I'll give you the next one. I'll wait only 1 minute. Okay. Now, this like how I'm using this one. So this is my command. Actually, most students use the computers or mobile phones to do games, but my students are not doing that one. Okay. එක කොල්ලෙක් හිටියා මං එක කියපු දවසේම ගේම් එක delete කරලා තිබුණා. That's really good. පොඩි පොඩි තවාඩු පාඩු තියෙනවා. ඔන්නට හොඳයි. Okay. So I'm using the AI to do good one. Actually, so we should control the technology. Okay. This is the way. This is my command. Okay. So මං චුට්ටක් මේව කරනවා because if you maybe you can see the answer also, that's why. Okay, without that answer. Okay, okay, now you can solve this one. Okay, Now this is the question. So also you can do like this using the AI. Actually, AI is good to improve our skills, our knowledge, ourselves. Okay, try this one. This is a question. Using the same. Yes. It's minus. Here you can see in this thing adding 2 to both sides like that. Okay, but you can do as you wish. Okay, here first there is multiplication. It's easy. Then you divide both sides by 2. What you get? 4 x minus 2 minus 2 equals 20 divided by 2 10. Now what you have to do is just move this minus 2. You have to take this minus 2 to the other side. 4 x minus 2 equals 10 minus 2. When we take this minus 2 to the other side, it becomes plus 2. 4 x minus 2 equals 10 plus 2. Some of you are multiplying these values and remove this bracket. But always I'll use shortcuts. Here multiplication. Now you can do the same thing. Why you are not thinking about the shortcuts? Neighbor, 12 divided by 4, 3. Now move this one, x equals 3. It becomes plus 2. So x equals plus 5. Nitish, got it today? So from where they say buy the Gemini Pro for cheap? I try to give that number. No. Actually, if you don't doing the advanced things, just you can do that free version. If you want Pro, I'll try to give that number. But actually, I can't find. I'll try to find. So, what AI do you recommend for studies? Actually, I'm not always using the AI just to create some questions like that. For the studies, ah, mm, Gemini is okay, but sometimes it's giving wrong answers. That is all the AIs. That's why. So I need Pro because I use Gemini. Okay, I'll ask from my friends and then I'll tell you the name set. Okay, but please ask that the same question after a week. Okay, yeah, yes, Pudi. It's easy. Huh? Okay, so I'm going to give one more, not from the. How about ChatGPT? Sometimes ChatGPT gives wrong answers. That's why with it. So I give up that using the ChatGPT before 2 weeks, 2 years ago. අවුරුදු දෙකකට විතර කලින් අපි ChatGPT අත්හැරි because you know why? So when ChatGPT comes into the world, okay, ChatGPT establish වෙලා famous වෙලා මිනිස්සු use කරපු කාලේ එතකොට මම යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ third year. Okay. අපි use කරා. ගොඩක් අය ChatGPT use කරනකොට so I found that Gemini also I can use I feel that that one is really good than ChatGPT, but how I don't know. So there is also Claude AI. There are so many. But the thing is, don't use AI to find just only answers. ඉස්සර කාලේ කලේ ඉනේ තියාගෙන මෙහෙම ගියානේ දුර ඉඳන් වතුර ගෙනා. මෙහෙම බඩවල ඇවිල්ලා ගොවියෝ කුඹුරේ ගියා. අරන් පස්සේ නේද? ඩිෂ් එකක් දාලා නබුලක් දාලා ගියා. අර මිනිස්සු දුර ඉඳන් ගියානෝ අය දාලා කඩාගෙන ආවා. මේක කරනවා. මිනිස්සුන්ට zero diseases. Okay, they didn't use that eat that fast foods or the chodies. Kukulada injects not injection actually. Foods දීලා okay fast drawing කරේ නැහැ. දවස් 30න් කුකුලා එනවා. දවස් 30 කුකුලා අවුරුද්දක් විතර ෆ්‍රිජ් එකේ ඉන්නවා මාර වෙලාව. ජීවිත කාලේ වගේ 12 times. එතකොට මොකද වෙලා තිබේ හැමදේ because of this all makes our life is easy. Okay අපේ ජීවිතේ ලේසි කරන්න හැදිච්ච දේවල් but what is the thing? අපි trap එකට ඉර වෙලා. People earn money, spending that money for food, and also more when comes into the that means late ages of the life, you're spending so much money for the disease. Why? These are the disasters that come. So, same thing if you are using the AI for getting answers. It's got a homework history. Then that teacher, how very good. When you are going to exam, sometimes they are trying to cheat, but when you are coming into the job field, they don't know. So that's all. But you can use AI to ask, show me the steps how to solve this. How? I will. Now, again, fine. Give me similar one. I got it. That way is really good. Okay. Then you can upload some textbook PDF to the AI. Then you can ask, create 10 questions for me from history second lesson. Are you good? You are getting up early in the morning at 4:30 or 5:30, 5 a.m. So you can ask for me and create 10 questions. Then you have it. Then you can answer by yourself. But if you are not using the mobile phones, don't use until you are doing it. දැනටමත් අම්මලා තාත්තලා ෆෝන් එකක් දීලා නැත්තම් ඉල්ලන්නේ. AI වලට AI නැතුව ඕන තරම් කරගන්න. Just use කරන අයට තමයි මම advice එක දුන්නේ හොඳ දෙයකට use කරන්න. Use නොකරන අයට use කරන්න කියලා නෙමෙයි කිව්වේ. At that sir told this one I want to use. So I'm going to give the last one. Actually, I love you, not for you, the old kids. That's why always giving advices to people. Okay, last one. Last one. So, please say it today. Those who got the correct answer, you can leave today, okay? Now, here, who is there? 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 30. Because these mixed number, we are going to convert these into the improper fraction. 8 is there. As the denominator, 8 into 5, 40 plus 1, 40. This 8 is here. 8 into 8, 64 plus 3, 67. Okay. Now what to do? We have to take the common denominator. So we can take 8. So I'm not going to explain in deep why. So we already learned these all, okay? When I'm teaching theory, I spent many hours to explain this, okay? So 8 divided by 4, 8, this 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 13, 20. 8 divided by 8, 1. 1 into 4, 1. Division, we can use multiplication. Then we have to take the reciprocal. Okay. If we use division instead of, if we use multiplication instead of division, we must use the reciprocal of this one, okay? After the division symbol. The fraction which is after the division symbol, okay, we have to get the reciprocal of that one. Why? We use the multiplication instead of division. So 26 plus 41 means 67. Divided by 8. Multiplied by 8 over 6. Wow. Wow. 8 times. And final answers. Is it okay, Budhe Dylan? Got it? Okay. So, that's all. Yeah, correct. Yes, Budhe. You're all, that is also correct. If you got 4 over 4, that is also correct. Okay. So, that's all. Grade 9 English medium is really good. Oh, yeah, you're correct. Yes, Budhe. Okay. Take care. Bye. Good night. See you soon. I'll wait 1 more minute here. If you want, you can note down this one, then I'll wind up the session.